It's my community. It's where I grew up. It's my friends and family. So anything that I can do to help, just trying that. And then we have a game with the national team on September 4th in San Jose, which is just about 4 hours south of Reading. Yeah. So it's kind of like a perfect storm, everything coming together, and hopefully we can make it go viral, as the people say. Do the internet things, do the Twitter things, and ultimately just raise money for this community that has been just devastated, and not just immediately, but it's going to be a long-term effort for cleanup and rebuild and all of that.